Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. My name is Rocky, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default download location in Google Chrome. Note that this method will work for both PC and Mac versions of Google Chrome. So let's get started. Open up Google Chrome on your device, and in the right-hand section of the browser, click on the three vertical dots that say Customize and Control Google Chrome, and click on the option that says Settings. And once the settings load, scroll bottom till you see the option called Advanced and then click on it. And then find the section called Downloads. Note that the current location right now is set to C Users Admin Desktop, which means whenever I try to download a file, that would be downloaded on the desktop. I want to change this to a different location. So click the Change button over here. And now select the folder into which you want the new files to be downloaded from here on. I would like all the new files to be downloaded into the test1 folder here from now on into the future. So I'm going to select that as shown here and click on the select folder button. So as you can see here, the location has been updated, and from now on, all my files will be stored in the test1 folder. So that's how easy it is to change the default download folder in Google Chrome. So if you would like Google Chrome to prompt before it downloads a file so that you get the chance of changing the folder or changing the destination location to something else rather than what is shown here, you can do so by simply clicking this toggle button here. And from now on, Google Chrome will seek your permission before it downloads any file. That's it for this video.
If this video was helpful, please show your support by leaving a like, comment, and share the video on social media. Subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.